Caterpillar motor graders are the machines of choice for many operators, whether you are building a road, preparing a building site, or removing snow. The new H-Series motor graders deliver on everything you demand in a Cat machine, including power, performance, durability, serviceability, and ease of operation. Proper operation and maintenance are the keys to success. We're going to show you how to get the most out of your new H-Series motor grader, from startup to shutdown and everything in between. We'll also show you how to take advantage of all of the features and benefits that are built into this machine. As you begin training on the H-Series motor grader, always refer to your machine's Operation and Maintenance Manual, or OMM. The OMM includes detailed instructions on how to operate your specific model, service and maintenance tips, along with safety precautions and warnings that are posted on the machine. Before you climb into the cab, it is important to perform a complete walk-around inspection. It's a good idea to do an inspection before and after you use the equipment. We'll cover some key maintenance items, but always refer to your OMM for details on specific maintenance practices and recommended intervals for service. Starting on the left side of the machine, check for leaks or damage to cylinders and lines. Inspect the circle. Remove any rocks and check for damaged wear strips. Look at the circle pinion teeth. Is there any dirt? Look over the blade and end bits for any damage or excessive wear. Check the external hydraulic system components for leaks or damage. Look for any damaged or loose-mounted components or impact damage. Now move toward the rear of the machine. All of the major service points are on the left side of any H-Series motor grader. First, check the hydraulic oil level by looking at this sight gauge. Here are the fill and check points for engine oil and transmission oil levels. And all of the filters and the SOS ports are grouped together in this location. Check the fuel-water separator. If there is an excessive amount of water present, call your service technician to drain the water from the fuel sump as shown in the OMM. The air cleaner is located here, along with the air restriction indicator. Moving over to the next compartment, this is the ground level fuel fill. The H-Series motor graders use a saddle-style fuel tank made of a composite material with fuel compartments on each side of the machine. A crossover tube allows you to fill both tanks from one side. These are the two purge valves for the air tank sediment drains. Drain the sediment tanks. This is the disconnect switch, and next to it is the optional starting charging receptacle. Once you have completed these checks, take a moment to look at the radiator coolant level through this sight glass. The glass provides a go, no-go coolant level check. Cleanout areas for the radiator cores are located on both sides of the machine. Now move around the back and continue your check on the right side of the machine. In this compartment is a swing-out condenser core that allows access for easy cleaning. Also in this compartment is the location for a remote air hose connection. The batteries are mounted in one spot, here. Before the operator opens the front door, he can touch the tandem oil check plug to be sure that there are no leaks. The serpentine belt with an automatic tensioner is maintenance-free, allowing you to continue working the machine with no need to tighten the belt. If any visible damage is present, notify your service technician immediately. Again, look for anything out of the ordinary, including leaks, damage, or debris anywhere on the motor grater. Check the moldboard wear strips. There are grease zerks on the machine. They should be greased every 50 hours. Check the right side of the moldboard and the cutting edge. Check the front bolsters. Next, check out the front tires for cuts, damage, and proper inflation pressure. You'll also want to make sure that neither the left nor the right front wheel spindle housing is leaking. This is the only maintenance required with Caterpillar's sealed front spindles. Check the steering and wheel lean cylinders and lines for leaks or damage. Look for leaks, pits, or any looseness on the tie rod ends. Also, check for any broken light lenses. As you move back around to the machine's left side as you prepare to enter the cab, make sure the cab glass is clean. And check the steps and grab irons. Be sure to maintain 3 points of contact on the machine at all times.